Hi guys, what's up? My name is Saurav and welcome to another video for Limit Solutions. And this video I'm going to all how to fix if you're getting issues while updating the Windows update. So to fix this particular issue, all we have to do is we'll just go to Start menu and we're just gonna select Settings from here. So after opening the settings, all we have to do is, okay, it is taking some time here. Okay, so all we have to do is we're just gonna select System and then we just have to scroll down a little bit so that we can see a troubleshoot option over here. So after clicking on the troubleshoot, all we have to do is we'll just need to go to other troubleshooters, and here we can see that we're getting this Windows update, right? So we're just gonna run this troubleshooter, and now as you can see that the troubleshooting is started for Windows update. So it's gonna take a few seconds to check. And now we're just gonna click on next because there are some pending updates which need a restart. So I've not restarted my machine, that's why I'm getting these issues. And now you can see that there are a few problems that has been detected, right? So now I'm gonna close it, and now I'll just go to the Windows search bar and I'm just gonna search command prompt. I can see over here that I'm getting this command prompt, right? So I'm just gonna right click on it and I'll just run this as an administrator, and now I'm just click on yes. And now I'm gonna type the command that is sfc/scan now. And it's gonna take a few seconds to complete the process. So as you can see that the system repair pending, which requires to reboot my machine. So I'm just gonna close it and I'm just gonna restart my machine. So after that your issue will be resolved, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, sorry, stay happy and love to learn new life hacks regarding technical difficulties. Bye.